Sri Aurobindo. Sri Aurobindo was born in Kolkata on 15th August 1872. At the age of 7, he was taken to England for his education. He studied at St. Paul's School, London, and at King's College, Cambridge. Returning to India in 1893, he worked for the next 13 years in the princely state of Baroda in the service of the Maharaja and as a professor in the State's College. In 1906, Sri Aurobindo quit his post in Baroda and went to Calcutta, where he became one of the leaders of the Indian nationalist movement. As editor of the newspaper Vande Mataram, he put forward the idea of complete independence from Britain. Arrested 3 times for sedition or treason, he was released each time for lack of evidence. Sri Aurobindo began the practice of yoga in 1905. Within a few years, he achieved several fundamental spiritual realizations. In 1910, he withdrew from politics and went to Pondicherry in French India in order to concentrate on his inner life and work. Over the next 40 years, he developed a new spiritual path, the integral yoga, whose ultimate aim is the transformation of life by the power of a supramental consciousness. In 1926, with the help of his spiritual collaborator, the Mother, he founded the Sri Aurobindo Ashram. His vision of life is presented in numerous works of prose and poetry, among the best known of which are The Life Divine, The Synthesis of Yoga, Essays on the Gita and Savitri. Sri Aurobindo passed away on 5th December 1950.